Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to write Etsy product descriptions for your listings. So first of all, the most important information of your product should be first. So shoppers will see essential information about the product as soon as possible, and also Etsy and Etsy offsite ads will rank your product with those keywords and with that information first. So for example, let's go to Etsy, and I just found this kitchen organization labels, and we're just gonna look at the description of this item. So as you can see, it starts with our pantry collection labels consisting of 8 labels per bundle, are water and oil resistant and making them perfect addition to your kitchen. So this is the first one, the first paragraph, and so on. You should not only write the most important part of your products, but you should also consider some keywords to rank for and write them at the beginning. For example, in the first paragraph and also in the second one. Actually, you should put the keywords through the whole description. In each paragraph, for example, put some keywords to rank for. So now, what also Etsy suggests is actually to write short paragraphs, and bullet points are actually your friends, as they say. I don't really see that a lot of sellers are using bullet points, but maybe add some dashes and so on. So you should use paragraphs. It's easier for buyers to read and find the information they need. As you can see, this is actually really easy to read, and you should answer in each of those paragraphs, answer every question your buyer may have and they want to ask you in each paragraph. So don't forget that. You should also keep an eye on your stats. So as Etsy writes, so you should keep an eye on your shop stats, so you can see where your shoppers come from, how they are engaging with the listing, and you should use this info in shop stats to include top search terms in your description. So you would put the keywords that buyers are searching for. Of course, you should maintain consistency through every single listing of yours, and I would also suggest to add a end with a link, your shop link. But what I want to show you how to do this, maybe even easier, is actually with the help of AI, so ChatGPT. So we can actually write and ask for ChatGPT to write us a description on Etsy. So let's not forget those points we were talking about. So let's ask, so I just wrote, please write an Etsy listing description for kitchen pantry labels. Please put the most important information about the product in the paragraph. Also use short paragraphs and bullet points, so it would be easier to read for buyers, answer the questions they may ask. And so ChatGPT generated this listing description. It's actually really short. Maybe I would like it to be more basically a bigger one, but I actually like that it starts with a question, some key features. Maybe I would delete the emojis. Nobody really likes them. I would also wouldn't write Q&A. Maybe I just do a paragraph about this, and so on. Also some key features about packaging. So don't forget that. So yeah, guys, that's how you can use ChatGPT to write your description. Of course, don't forget this 5 tips for writing listing descriptions that Etsy wrote themselves. So they actually write what is the most important to them. So I will leave this seller handbook link in the description below for you to check it out. You can also use this paragraph for yourselves to write for ChatGPT. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.